Welcome to your online study journey. You have received your login details, now it is time to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. First, you will see the calendar of upcoming deadlines. Here is a video of how to use the system. To open the course, simply click on the course name in the panel on the right. Once inside the course page, you can either expand or collapse the panel on the left that shows all your course items. The first item on the course page is the course summary. Next, you will need to download and complete the assessment process document. You click on the document name, and it will download to your computer. After completing the document, you save it as a PDF and upload it back to the system in the same place. You click on the Add Submission button. This screen is where you upload the completed document. Click on Upload a File, select your file, then click on the Upload File button. Ensure you have uploaded the right file and click on the Save Changes button. On the next page, you will see the submission is in draft mode. Now you can either replace the file or submit the file. Now that you are ready to submit, click on the Submit button and then tick the acknowledgement stating this is your own work. The next item you need to download is the logbook. This file you will complete throughout the entire course. Every day you work, you log your hours and what you did. Every time you study, you log the dates and time. At the end of your course, you submit the completed logbook back to the system. This will be the last thing you upload. Now let us take a look at course modules by clicking on them on the left panel. At the top of the module page, you will see the duration and unit standards for the module. Next, you will see your first lesson, and you will note that Lesson 2 is blocked. You need to study the lesson materials and score 100% on the quiz to unlock the next lesson. To open a lesson, click on it, then click on the Go To button. On the lesson page, you will see the training materials and the quiz. Click on an item to open it. Let us take a look at the quiz. You click on Attempt Quiz button. Answer all the questions. You will see drop-down option questions, true or false, and multiple choice question types. At the bottom of the page, you will click on the Next Page button. Complete the next page. At the bottom of this page, you have a button to go back to the previous page. Or if you are done, click on the Finish Attempt button. Before submitting, you can see if any questions still need to be answered. If done, click on the Submit button. The system gives you instant feedback on a quiz for your review. Once done, click on the Finish Review button. Now you can either reattempt or move on to the next course item. To go back to the main course, you can either click on the course name on the right side panel or go to the previous tab you opened. At the bottom of the module page, you will find your assignments. To complete them, follow the same process as with the assessment process document. You download, complete, save as PDF, and upload back to the system. The formative assignment is open when you unlock a module. This allows you to start working on the assignments as you work through the lessons. The summative assessment will only be available once you submitted the formative assignment. At the end of your course, you will see the final item for you to complete is the Learner POE Feedback Declaration. Please ensure to upload this activity back to the system as well as the logbook we mentioned at the beginning. If you need any assistance, go to the right side panel, scroll down to Message My Teacher, click on Anyone, type your message with clear details on what assistance you require, and click on the Send button. Good luck with your course.